Imagine waking up in the morning and stepping onto a perfectly warm floor on a cold winter day. That's the magic of radiant floor heating. And today we're gonna pull back the curtain and look at the heart of what makes this floor sing, your manifolds and all of your controls. Let's take a look. I can't stress the importance of zoning enough. So take a look at this little small space here in the hallway. We have one zone control thermostat right here. We have another one right here and another one behind this wall, which is the office. And here's the thought process. Your office, you're going to use when you're in there doing office stuff. And that temperature you may want to be different than what this thermostat will control, which is the hallway and our utility room. This thermostat is what is going to control our living room. So different zones have the capacity to control the temperatures in different rooms. And remember, on a radiant floor heating system, it's not a thermostat that you just crank up to 80 degrees because you want it to be warmer faster, because even when it gets to that 80 degrees or close enough to it and you crank it back down, well, your floors are still going to radiate off heat because those pipes are consistently circulating hot water. Now, it may not be flowing, but the hot water is definitely still in those pipes. So even though you turn down your temperature, the actual temperature in the room may still continue to rise. So with radiant floor heating, I say slow and steady. Let's take a look and understand these manifolds. And what they do is they take the hot water from our water source, which is an indirect fired water heater, and the hot water is supplied through the pipe right below. And these manifolds are what will open and close, meaning allowing the water to flow freely through all these pipes based on the thermostat that you have in each individual zone. So we have 10 zones in the house. There's 10 different manifolds. And every time one of our zones call for heat, these manifolds will automatically open, sending hot water through the pipes to warm up your floors. This is the brains of your radiant floor heating system. So your zone controls are what are going to turn on or off, meaning open the floor of hot water. But this is what tells it when to do it and to which zone. So when our thermostat in each individual zone, and we'll show you that in just one second, calls for heat, this brain tells one of these zone controls to open and close. This also gives you the ability to add and expand onto your existing system. So let's say later on down the road, if you have the capacity, meaning you can run your new pipes, you want to add a towel warmer or maybe do a baseboard heater in your garage or anything that has to do with hydronic heat, you just expand, or if it already has the capacity, add on to this brains of the system and it will all control everything and work seamlessly. Radiant heat is a game changer when it comes to comfort and efficiency. And it's really important to understand how all of these components work, and more importantly, how they work together. Let us know in the comments section below what your dream home heating system is. And subscribe so that you never miss out on more home building real life ideas. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.